The night guard was assigned to an abandoned hospital. Every night, something strange happened. Bed number 6 would be slightly out of place, as if it had moved on its own. At first, he thought it was just a prank or his imagination. But then he started noticing trails of blood on the bed. They were faint, but real. One night, around 3 a.m., he heard a faint moaning sound coming from room 6. Cautiously, he entered the room. As he stepped in, his flashlight flickered and went out. He pulled out his phone, using its flashlight instead. That's when he saw something terrifying. On the wall, written in a dark, smeared substance, were the words, "I'm still here." He froze. A chill ran down his spine. Suddenly, he felt the bed move behind him. He turned quickly, but the room was empty. The next morning, when the day staff arrived, they found room 6 abandoned, except for one horrifying detail. The night guard's lifeless body was found under bed number 6, and the bed was perfectly in place.